What's up, everybody? Today we're at Prosperity Motorplex in Castle Hayne, North Carolina for their Memorial Day weekend pit bike race. First ever race for me. We're going to get right into it with Heat 1 here. There was only one heat, split up into 5 people, total of 11 guys in our class. As you can see, didn't really get the best start ever, but also it's my first pit bike race ever, so also not mad at it at all. Wanted to give a huge shout out to Ethan and Steve over at Tin Roof Garage for lending me this bike and letting me run the whole race with it. Really appreciate it. It was such a fun race and can't thank you all enough, for real. So right now, just kind of trying to catch up back to the pack here. Obviously, as you can see, I'm pretty far behind, but slowly gaining, slowly. My boy Chris got into a pretty nice wreck there, so I'm going to steal 4th from that, then also 3rd. So to give a little insight on these bikes, there's 3 classes for these bikes. You have stock, limited mod, and full mod. I'm running full mod with this bike. Full mod, you can basically, there's no limits to whoever can build the fastest bike kind of thing. Pretty much everything's done to this bike. It's originally a Baja Warrior, which is one of them Coleman bikes you would find at like Tractor Supply and everything like that. And just fully modded out, the coolest thing ever. It's got a tank and shrouds and seat off of a KX65, which is awesome. Pro taper bars. Everything in the engine is completely done up. It's got what they call a juggernaut on it, so they replaced the centrifugal clutch with a juggernaut pulley. Just increases speed, like, out of the corners and everything. Pretty sweet, but I'll take 3rd out of 5 on that there, 5 laps. Alright, let's get right into the main event here. I'm starting 5th in the line since I've got 3rd on the heat race. Taking 7th out of the first turn there, not too shabby. Some really good battles this race. The whole race, Chris is on my tail, so I'm working on blocking him as I'm passing at the same time. Just an insanely good race all in one. So I was able to make the pass there for sixth place. It's fifth because I'm pretty sure someone pulled off because I ended up finishing fifth. Spoiler alert. But yeah, I'm sure somebody pulled off or something like that. I didn't get in the video, so just set it to fifth place. But super happy with that pass back there, though. It was pretty clean. So for those of you who never rode or raced anything at night before, it's a total different animal. You can't really see anything. The whole track has shadows, so it's hard to pick out ruts. Even if it is nicely lit, it's still totally different than the daytime. Makes it harder, makes it more fun though. It's interesting racing at nighttime. That was such a good battle. I'll end up taking fifth here. Not mad at all. It's still so sick. So glad to be able to race this. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. See you guys in the next one then. Peace.